denying that child of his or her right to education. Remember, the Sustainable Development Goal has made it very clear that no child must be left behind. So even that child, if that child academically cannot perform, that child definitely has some other talents that needs to be developed, and that will definitely go in our interest. So we are saying that, like I mentioned earlier, we are not against private participation in education service delivery. We are also not against parents deciding to send their children to private schools because of the absence of public schools. Because it is the duty and responsibility of government to ensure that there are public schools everywhere, so that every child in this country should be able to access public schools if they want to. But then, if a parent decides to send his or her child to a private school, that should be at the discretion of the parent. Because it is the parent who has decided that even though there is a public school available, I prefer to send my child to a private school. But it must not be that the parent will have no choice than to send the child to a private school, whether the parent can afford it or not. That is what we are against. We are also demanding that government must ensure that these private schools are properly regulated to operate within the regulatory frameworks, so that children that are sent there, their rights are not violated. The school must be disability friendly to accommodate every child that is brought in there. The teachers must, they should be professional teachers teaching in our private schools. All these are things that we are demanding for, and we are asking government to make sure that they increase the budget allocation for running our education in Ghana, so that at least if that policy is well implemented, we know that the inequality gap is going to close. In fact, this model of public partnership in education has been implemented in other countries like Liberia and other countries, and it has not yielded any good result. Because normally what happens is that public-private partnership in education had always existed. Yeah, we have the mission schools also supporting government to provide education for children. So there are already this partnership already going on. But then the model that has to do with outsourcing the management of our public schools to private actors for a commission, that we say will not help the system, because it has been implemented in other countries and evidence has shown that it has not helped the system.